Violin Concerto theme number 47. I feel like this is one that we can finally sing with our violin. And it's really beautiful. We're playing Beethoven. We're not playing these baby songs anymore. We're playing something with some meat and potatoes to it. So it's a very lovely, easy melody, but we have some jumps that are going on, and we have to really let that bow do its job. So our rhythm, 1, 2, 3, 4, and da da. 1, 2, 3, 4, and da da. Okay, so what are notes? Our first and second lines are pretty similar. It's just the ending for both of those lines. So let's say it. Ready, say it. F, G, A, B, C, D, A, G, F, E, F, D, E, A. That's our first finger on that G string. So E, A. Then back to 2. F, G, A, B, C, D, A, G, B, G, E, A, D. Rest, rest. Okay, so at the end of that first line, don't freak out. E, A, doing that with our bow, it's just that. You do not have to hurry up and be anywhere. Nobody's going to hear any silence. And then for the last 2 measures, let's take a peek at that. We're playing B, G, E, A, D. So the last 2 notes can totally be open strings. So when we do that B to that G, I'm leaving my first finger on that B, on that A string. And I'm then just coming over with that third finger. So like how we did with our fourth finger before, practicing that octave, we're going to do that on our A string with our third finger. So first finger, we're going to do 1 to 3. 1, 3, B, D. Now instead of doing it on the A string, we're going to tap that on the D string now. So just have that, we're leaving that first finger on the A string, and we're going to tap that third finger back and forth between our D and our A string. And you can do it on all the strings, just leaving that first finger down. We're learning finger independence. We're learning the distance between that first and that third finger, and how to leave that finger down as we go to the other strings. So do it in guitar position, do it in violin position, do it with your bow. And this is what helps us with our arpeggios. And so just spend some time with that. So B, G, E, A, D. So I do B, G, then that first finger comes over while I'm playing that G string, then open, open. All right, so F, G, A, ba, da, da, dum. Let's pluck it out. Ready, go. All 3, G, F, E, F, D, E, A, back to F. G, A, B, C, D, A, B, G, E, A, D. Rest, rest. Now let's try it with the bow. 1, 2, ready, go. Always have a hard time not putting in a retard at the end, but why not do it anyway?